Hello everyone and welcome to our May edition of our monthly newsletter, in which we briefly highlight some health awareness events for this coming month. My name is Sabine, I'm the Community Engagement Officer, and I'm joined by Amanda, our Health Promotion Officer. Welcome Amanda.
Hi Sabine.
On the 5th of May, it's World Hand Hygiene Day, and although hand hygiene has always been very important, the coronavirus pandemic has definitely emphasised the importance of hand hygiene, hasn't it, Amanda?
For sure. So this year, the year 2020 was unprecedented in many ways, one of which was the tremendous attention given to the appropriate hand hygiene practices in the fight against COVID-19. Hand hygiene has finally gained the global recognition from policymakers, health managers, healthcare workers and the general public as a keystone infection control prevention. To highlight the urgent need to save lives by implementing best practices in healthcare delivery, the slogan for the 5th of May 2021 World Hand Hygiene Day is "Seconds Save Lives, Clean Your Hands." The WHO campaign calls to action all key stakeholders, including the general public, who can play critical roles in achieving optimal hand hygiene at the point of care, helping to strengthen society involvement.
And Amanda, vaccination is just as important as hand hygiene in the fight against COVID, isn't it?
Yep, they go hand in hand. So Sabine, as the Victorian Government is rolling out vaccinations at different stages, most of our staff, including myself, have actually received their COVID-19 vaccination, and our aged care residents have also been vaccinated, which was a great milestone. The Timburn Clinic is receiving regular doses of COVID vaccine, and you can contact them on 555 86 088 to make an appointment. While the COVID vaccine is very important, that we've just highlighted, we must not forget the equal importance of getting a flu vaccination with the flu season upon us. But please note that these vaccinations need to be given at least 2 weeks apart. For more information or to book in for a flu vaccination, you can call me on 555 86 000 or the Timburn Clinic 555 86 088.
And with small local outbreaks that we still get around Australia, the importance of getting tested when we have the slightest symptoms, we still need to pay attention to that, don't we?
Yeah, we need to remain vigilant on that, as restrictions have eased with more opportunity to travel and catch up with loved ones, including our elderly. The important message is still that every test helps us to keep on top of this virus. Even if you have the mildest symptoms, or if you've been tested before, please get tested, stay at home while you receive those results. Testing can be done at our health service by calling 555 86 000 or the Timburn Clinic by calling 555 86 088.
Yes, no, very important message still, isn't it? Together we'll get on top of it, and we've been doing excellent. So. Now, May is Crohn's and Colitis Awareness Month, and community member Brett Wallace speaks in our autumn quarterly about his journey living with this lifelong illness. It's a powerful story and a message to get people to speak up about this silent condition, isn't it, Amanda?
Yeah, just getting them to talk about it. So it takes guts to talk about inflammatory bowel disease, IBD. And this May, Crohn's and Colitis Australia, which is known as CCA, will be raising awareness in support of people living with these lifelong illnesses. Brett is very honest and open about his journey with this condition, and hopefully assists our community to understand a little bit more about what it is like to live with Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis, collectively known as inflammatory bowel disease, and may recognise the symptoms that they have been living with themselves. Many people living with these illnesses may stay silent about the day-to-day issues they face, but during May, we hope that Brett's story can help them speak out. By as early as next year, there is expected to be 100,000 Australians living with Crohn's or colitis, lifelong incurable conditions that are actually on the increase. Every person diagnosed, it's not only their lives that are changed, but also the lives of their family and friends.
Yeah, it'll be amazing when people start talking about it, how many
sensitive
people are affected.
issue, but it needs to be out there.
Yeah, exactly. Now, from the 17th to the 23rd of May, it is National Volunteer Week, and we would like to recognise, celebrate and thank all our volunteers for their dedicated hard work, their commitment and invaluable donation of their time and energy. You as a volunteer make our community stronger, especially in times of need and crisis, as we have experienced over the last year, and it is very, very important what you do, so we really, really appreciate it, and the community does as well, and we truly are working together for a healthy community, so thank you for that. Thank you, Amanda, for helping to highlight some of the May health awareness events, and you can read some more stories and community member stories in our What's On and in our Autumn Quarterly, and you can find that on our website, but also around town, Port Campbell, Timboon and Simpson. And thank you for joining us again, and please check our social media for more health awareness events during this month, and the inspiring community stories showing how resilient our community is. May is also Mindful May called, so please be mindful of yourself and others mentally and physically. Together we can keep our town COVID safe and get through this. So please stay apart, stay safe and stay kind, and we keep on working together for a healthy community. Thank you. Thanks, Amanda.
Thanks, Sabine.